Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to verify your identity on PayPal. Okay, the first thing that you should do is simply go and open your PayPal, just like so, and make sure that you are signed in using your account. And in order to verify your identity, you will need to add your bank account, debit card, or credit card. So now the first thing that you should do is simply navigate to Wallet right here. And after you click on Wallet, you'll now have these options. You can link a card or link a bank. And here in my case, I'll simply click on link a card. Once you click on link a card, here it will show here this page. You'll have to enter here the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Then click on link a card. And now if you do not want actually to verify using your card, you can simply go back, then click on link a bank, and this will link the account with your bank. So I'm going to click on link a bank. Then here you should choose the account type. Is it a checking or savings? And here you should add the IBAN number, the phone number, and the billing address. Then click on link your bank. Or if you want to link a US bank instead, you can simply click on this option right here. Then you want to here enter the routing number and the account number and choose the type of the account, whether it's checking or savings account. Now you need to know that in some cases, they will send you a deposit on your bank account just in order to confirm that you are owning this account and you are not faking the card number. Now, in order to identify your identity, now you want to go back and click on this cogwheel icon on the top right side. And here you can see all the details of yours. And down below right here, you can simply click on add passport. You can add your passport. You can add your national ID. You can add your driving license, whatever option that you have right here down below. And after that, you will have to provide them with pictures, including your national ID, passport, or even your driving license. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.